How to get next day delivery on Amazon Prime. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today with that neat dealer. Let's jump right in. First, open Amazon.com and log into your account. Then at the top, click on Accounts and List. Simply double click on Accounts and List. After you double click, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Then in here, click on Prime. After you click on Prime, make sure you have Prime subscription. After you have started your trial, you can click on Start Your Trial. After you have done that, simply search for the product you want. Then on the left side, you'll find Delivery, and below that, All Prime. Make sure there's tick mark in All Prime. After you have done that, below your products, as you can see, there is Prime with tick mark and free delivery as well, and the next day. And this is how to get next day delivery on Amazon Prime. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.